Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is an unboxing of Muscle Food prepped meal boxes. So these are healthy option lunches. I'll tell you all about it in a second, but if this is the type of video you like, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell button. Let's get into the unboxing. So basically, if you haven't heard of Muscle Food before, it used to be like an online sort of meat ordering site that basically sold lots of sort of high protein, high volume like meats in bulk that you could freeze and use at home, and they used to be quite a good price. But they're now doing sort of meal prep boxes, so you can actually get like a 7-day box which gives you like breakfast snack, lunch snack, tea snack sort of thing. Or at the minute they've actually got a special offer on where you can buy 5 lot of lunches and 5 free. So there's a deal on at the minute. It actually costs about £20 or £23 plus delivery. I think it's about 27 quid altogether, but it obviously works out at about £2, £9 per meal. So yeah, I'm going to unbox that for you today. Have a look at the website. They've got loads of different options on there. They've got like meat hampers, packs, and they do all sorts of food, health food, snack bars, all that sort of thing. Everything's on there. They do loads of stuff, so check it out. They have other deals as well, but this one was the one that I was interested in because it's going to help me with my weight loss. So let's unbox this. Here is the box itself. So I'm just going to unwrap this. So like everything with Muscle Food, it actually comes in like a cool pack so that it keeps cold in case you're not in when it gets delivered. So obviously you get your little bit of a leaflet there, maybe looking at some other offers, and then obviously inside here, this is supposed to be stuck down, but you get like these ice packs inside. So inside here we should have a selection of meals. So I'm going to unpack all these and then I'm going to lay them out on the table. So here are all the meals, and you do get one free as well with the deal that they had on if you opted in for like this sort of special offer. But they're all like high protein, and they're all really sort of good in calories. Like this one's 274 calories for the whole thing, and you do get quite a lot in there, as you can see. So this one is a Thai curry with chicken with high protein. Storage instruction says freeze on date of purchase. So I'm going to do that. It's obviously defrost and consume within 24 hours. So yeah, I'm going to pop all these in our chest freezer afterwards. So yeah, so we've got a Thai curry there with chicken. Here we've got a tikka chicken. Again, this is $3.21. This one is a black bean chicken. You can pick which one you want. If there's any that you don't like, you can swap it out. So this one's only 314 calories. If you're into obviously your macros and stuff, they have all the information here as well per pot, which is really good. If you wanted to look at how much protein there was in there, you can see that it's got 34 plus only 5 grams of fat. So that's the chicken, black bean chicken. There we've got a satay, which I really like. Then we've got a barbecue chicken. Sorry, the satay is 351 calories. The barbecue chicken is 306. The Korean spicy high protein, which is 415. Then we've got the sweet chili with chicken, 353. And then we've got the fajita bowl chicken, which is 344. Then we've got the bolted chicken, which is 309. And we've got the Cajun beef, which is 336, and that's the Thai curry. Again, I actually got that one twice, so yeah, so that's really good. So I'm going to be having one of these sort of every day to obviously help with my weight loss. They're all very low calorie, high in protein, so they're really good for building muscle. The pots are quite sort of hearty, so there is quite a lot in there, and they obviously contain rice, so they're going to fill you up. If it's something that I really like, then I'm going to continue to buy them. But obviously do check out the special offer. As I say, you get 5 meals for free at the moment with the special deal, and they do loads of other stuff on the website as well. So if you want to see a follow-up of this, please leave me a comment below and I'll give you an update on what I thought of the meals once I've eaten some of them. And yeah, that's everything for the video. So if you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!